Hey explorers, I'm Steven. Today we're going inside something invisible but everywhere, the internet. You can't touch it, but it connects almost every computer on Earth. The internet is a giant web of wires, cables, and signals. Yep, those underwater cables send data across oceans. Every message, picture, and video travels as data packets. Packets are tiny pieces of information that zip around the world in seconds. When you click a link, your computer sends a request through your router. The router passes it to your internet service provider, or ISP. Then it jumps through cables and satellites to find the website's computer. That computer is called a server. It stores websites and files. The server sends the info back to you, super fast. All that happens in less than a second. Some data even travels through the air using Wi-Fi and radio waves. That's why your phone can load a video with no wires. Every website has an address called an IP address. It's like your home address, but for computers. When you type a web name, your computer asks a special helper called a DNS. The DNS finds the right address and sends your request on its way. That's how you open YouTube, play games, or watch your favorite shows. But the internet isn't just fun. It's a tool for sharing knowledge. It connects people, schools, and even space missions. Data has to travel safely. That's why we use encryption. Encryption scrambles information so only the right person can read it. Even your games and messages use encryption to stay private. Billions of people use the internet every day. It's like a digital universe. But remember, use it wisely and safely. Think before you click and always protect your info. The internet is one of the greatest inventions in history, and it keeps growing every second. Stay curious, explorers, and keep thinking big online.